Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the blog title element. The blog title element allows you to show the title for a blog post on the page. In order to use the blog title element, we first need to insert a blog post element and select the blog to show. By default, the blog post element has some mini elements inside: blog image, blog title, blog summary, and blog lead more. I will remove the default blog title element. I will then can insert a blog title element into the blog post. It looks like this. Let's walk through the options the blog title element has to offer. First, we have blog post option that we can select the blog post to show. Then we can adjust the font, the color, font size, letter spacing, and word spacing. Down here, we can align the title to the left, to center, or to the right. We can transform it to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized. We can add an underline, light through, or overline. Adjust the font weight to normal, to bold, or to light. And make the title to be italic, like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.